Welcome back to another iDoctor UK video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the microphone, loudspeaker and charging port on your iPhone to ensure crystal clear calls, high quality recordings and accurate voice notes. All that you'll need for this job is some toothpicks or cocktail sticks, a microfiber cleaning cloth and a cleaning brush. We use these mobile specific tools, but a clean toothbrush will do the job just fine. Let's get started with the charging port. When we plug this phone in, we can see that it doesn't react to the lightning cable being connected, and we can see that there is a small bit of metal showing between the sheathing of the cable and the phone. We want that sheathing to be tight up against the phone, so that indicates to me that there's something blocking this charging port. Clear this, take your toothpick and begin carefully scraping the bottom of the charging port barrel, and this is going to loosen up some of the gunk that's inside the phone. It's important to be very gentle when you're doing this because you don't want to damage the pins or the charging connector. As you can see, this one is quite blocked up with lots of dirt, and this usually happens over time. When you put in the phone in your pocket or your bag, it collects some dust inside the charging port there, and then when you plug in the lightning connector, it compacts it down, and eventually over time it becomes that bunged up with dust and gunk that you can no longer charge your phone. Once you're satisfied that you've fished out most of the gunk from there, you can blow some air into it. We've got these little squeezy dust blowers. It does a great job of cleaning it out. And now I'm fairly confident that when we connect the lightning cable, we get the satisfying click and it charges straight away. If we compare the before and after, we can see that the sheathing goes all the way up to the chassis of the phone. Now that the lightning connector is clean, we'll make a start on the mesh for the loudspeaker, which is over here, the first three at the top, and then the microphones, which are the holes closest to the lightning connector. We're going to do the same thing again, except this time we're just going to use the toothpick to agitate the dirt that's already on there. We're not pushing down into the mesh because that can damage the phone. Instead, we're just trying to loosen up any dirt or dust that's built up inside those small holes. Once you've dislodged the dust and grime, take your blower again and blow away any of the debris. You can now take the cleaning brush and brush away any remaining dirt or grime that's left behind. Now when we compare this side to that side, we can see how much of a big difference that's actually made. I'm going to now repeat the same process on the other side, just dislodging the dirt with the toothpick on all three of the small holes, blowing away the dust with the dust blower, and finally brushing away any excess. There's a little bit of dirt on these screw holes too. It won't affect any performance of the phone at all, but it just means that it's a little bit cleaner. Finally now, using the microfiber cloth, we can just wipe away any dirt or grime or smudges, and I'm satisfied now that that is suitably cleaned. That's it for today's video on how to clean the microphone, loudspeaker and charging port on your iPhone for better audio quality and better charging. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.